In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve review exercise number 4, question number 4. Find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. Since the odd numbers is 1 to 2001, that is first 1, second 3, fourth 5 and fifth 7 up to so on 2001. Here first term, that is a1 is equal to 1, second term a2 is equal to 3, d is the common difference between a1 and a2, so 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Common difference is equal to 2. So last term, that is an is equal to 2001. An is equal to 2001. We know that an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into. So by putting the values of an, a1 and d, so value of an is equal to 2001 is equal to a1 is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2. So 2n minus 2, so 2001 is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, so 2n minus 1. Next, take minus 1 from right hand side to left hand side, sign will be positive, plus 1 is equal to 2n. So 2001 plus 1 is equal to 2002 is equal to 2n. Dividing by 2 on both sides, so n is equal to 2002 divided by 2, which is equal to 1001. Hence n is equal to 1001. Also we know that Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So by putting the values of n, a1, d, so Sn is equal to 1001, S1001 is equal to 1001 divided by 2 into 2, first term, that is 1 plus n is equal to 1001 minus 1 into d is equal to 2. So 1001 divided by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 1001 minus 1 is equal to 1000 into 2. So 1000 multiplied 2 is equal to 2000 plus 2 1 time 2, so 2002. So take 2 common into 1001, so 2 to cancel. 1001 multiply 1001 is equal to 1002001. Hence S1001 is equal to 10 lakh 2001, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.